Okay, hi guys, got a quick video for you. This thing's just come in the post today. What it is, you can't already see, it's a USB soldering iron, 5 volts. Got this thing from banggood.com. I'll show you the video, the screen in a moment. So again, I got this just to see if it worked, to be honest. Paid about £6 for it, including free delivery from Banggood. If it works, it'll be great as an emergency backup type of thing. And also I wanted to use it in conjunction with one of these power banks. So this bangy, I mean, work with anyone, but this one's 20,000 mAh. Quite big, so that thing should, now I'll give it a try in a moment, should last for quite a while. So let's open the thing. A few things on the front. It says easily replaceable tips, got a protective cover on there, comes with a stand, 5 volts USB, 8 watt, heats up in 15 seconds or less than 15 seconds, cool down period 30 seconds, long tip life. Not much more you can say really. It's got the European stamp on the side, which it should have. It's got an indicator light as well. So let's open it and have a little look, see where it's worth the money. Even though it's cheap, if it doesn't work, it's not worth the money. So the packaging seems okay. Nothing in the instructions at all. This is just a basic breakdown, and really you don't really need to know anything more than plug it in and that'll solder. It's 8 watt, which is ideal for what I want. Let's get out of the hood. What's that? So you've got there's your USB cable. Standard. It feels a really soft cable, doesn't feel stiff, so it's like a silicone based one, which is nice. And then a little tin stand, quite stiff, up stainless steel actually. A little piece of solder, which will probably be crap, but I'll try it. And then the soldering iron itself. It looks quite nice, feels sturdy, feels strong. Don't know what that's for. Oh, that's I think that must be for the stand. I know. Anyway, it looks like a little button of some kind, but I don't know what that is. Anyway, plugs in the back, and a little plastic cover. Not a cheap cover, it's quite strong. You couldn't really break that without. And there it is. I might look into replacing the tip to see whether you can buy replacements. I've never checked them out yet. So just make a bit of space. Now plug it in, see if it works. See if it's been a waste of money. I mean, for the price I couldn't not buy it. Okay, so here's my USB. I'll plug it into this battery bank just so you can see whether, because I'm using this is what I wanted it for, not the other one. So it's plugged in now. There's that. It won't come on until I push the button on the side. Ah, it looks like it's a sensitive button you push on the side, but there's the light. Heating up okay. And we'll try a bit of solder. I don't know how long it's going to take. It said 15 seconds or so. So let's see if I can melt some solder. Oh, I see. I think you must have to keep your finger on there to make the circuit. I can feel the heat. There you go. Well, didn't expect that. Pretty good. Straight away. So yeah, I'm not going to do any soldering with it yet. because I've got nothing set up. I just wanted to show you, this is a quick video. So it's heating up okay, it's fine. And when you push that little steel, it's not a switch, it's just a contact. As soon as you touch it, it comes on. So it must switch itself off if you haven't got your hands on, which is a safety device. If you guys hope you like this video, please like and subscribe. Any questions, leave in the comments below. Thanks for watching.